Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabil YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change the picture mode on Smart TV. So okay guys, you'll have to do first is press the menu on your remote control. Then now you can see the option. Okay, select the picture mode. Okay, then now you can see the picture mode option. So you can change the picture mode into portable, dynamic, natural, cinema, and okay. So for my example, I set the picture mode into cinema. So you'll have to do is click OK, and now go back, and now your picture mode is set into cinema, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed or set the picture mode on Smart TV. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.